made a pizza. Would you like a piece?
Yes, please.
I didn't use a recipe, so I'm not sure it's okay. Is there enough cheese on it?
Yes, there's enough cheese on it, but maybe there's too much salt in the tomato sauce.
Oh, yes, you're right. It tastes awful.
Use a recipe next time?
Yes.
Look and listen.
Is there enough cheese on the pizza?
Yes, there's enough cheese on it, but there's too much salt in the tomato sauce.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. Are there enough bins in the park? That's right. No, there aren't enough bins in the park. What's the problem with the car? That's right. There are too many boxes in the car. In your classroom, are there enough chairs for all the students? Well done!
Yay!
Diggory bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Diggory bones. He works under rocks and stones.
That's all, Richard. You can go now. Go on, leave.
What do you want from us? Where's the sunstone?
Ah, too many questions. We've only got enough food and water for 3 days. So you'll have to work quickly, Diggory.
Why do you need the sunstone, Ian?
I don't need it. I need you. I'll tell you where it is when you finish this job for me. You know there are secret caves under the Pyramid of the Sun, don't you?
And what are we going to find there? Aztec gold?
I think so. There are pictures of corn on the sunstone and on the walls here.
Yes. Corn was the most important food for the Mayas and the Aztecs.
We both know that corn was their symbol for gold.
I think we'll eat now. That's interesting. I didn't know the Aztecs ate gold. I knew that they ate chocolate with pepper. Would you like some?
No.
And insects too.
Stop it! Quetzalcoatl gave corn to the Aztecs. The door to the caves is about 3 kilometers east of...
Don't jump, Greedy. The ground's moving. Don't move or you'll go down faster. Emily, get me a big knife.
I can't get out! Help me!